Alright, you guys, so I just got my laundry from the laundromat. If you don't know, let me just say that if you don't know, I don't have any appliances in this apartment, like none whatsoever, especially kitchen appliances. So that literally consists of a washing machine, a fridge, a microwave, a kettle, a toaster, all these other fancy things, air fryers, what else, I don't know, anything else that is electrical, blenders. I don't really add those into the mix because they're not really essentials, but your essentials like a fridge, a washing machine, microwave, and a kettle, genuinely I can live without those. I've lived without those like for majority of my life. But a fridge and a washing machine, I am tired. I am tired. So this time around I decided to take my clothes to the laundromat, and I am so glad I did. I mean, it's like, I'm paying for electricity and water here, but then I need to go pay someone else to do the washing. But sometimes, guys, you need to settle for convenience, because even if I had a washing machine and I did not have time to do laundry and I was so busy, but I do have the means to take my washing to the laundromat and it comes back folded and clean, I don't need to do anything. I just need to pack, which is what we're about to do. So let's get into it.
Whoa.
Currently. So I'm currently editing. I need to edit TikTok videos and I need to edit for YouTube. And then there's a brand campaign kind of like skincare video that I need to submit. I recorded it sometime during the week and I'm done editing it. I'm still trying to figure out if I want to do a voiceover, but I think I should. So I'm gonna do that and then just continue editing. So I'm editing while watching some YouTube videos. So I'm just watching like random YouTube videos, also gaining inspiration like for editing. And basically, editing is just not nice work, you guys. It takes a mental effort to tell yourself to start editing. So yeah, that's what I'm currently doing, and I'll see you guys later. craving, or I've been craving greasy things, and I know it's so unhealthy, but I bought mince yesterday. I mean, the day before yesterday, because last night I cooked spaghetti with like mince. And yesterday I made like a small patty to like make a burger, and I left some mince for today specifically so I can make the exact same thing. But the only difference today is that I added avocado and some grilled or fried onions. And yo, I've really been craving like greasy things. Like, so good. Alright you guys, so yesterday I went to Pep Home, and I think I went to Mr. Price Home because there's a couple of things that I've been looking for. But nonetheless, ever since I painted the tables, I haven't officially showed you guys the painted tables, the spray painted tables, but I will today. And I got a couple of things specifically for the big round coffee table because I needed a few items for decor. So before I show you exactly what I got, so I got this, I don't know what you call it. Yes, I got this candle holder from Pep Home. It is very, very pretty. I don't wanna lie, it is so pretty. I actually want to go back and get probably a couple of these, maybe 2 or 1 more. It was 24 Rand and 99 Rand. It was quite affordable. So I got this candle holder and I thought this is so pretty. I like the way it glimmers in the light. It's giving chandelier. I don't know if it's only me who sees that, but it's kind of giving chandelier, but I like the design. And then I got these 4-piece candles. I already used one on the candle holder. However, the disadvantage of these candles is that they literally finished. I hadn't even lit this for over an hour and it's halfway done. But but nonetheless, I got this 4-piece set at Pep Home. They're called votive white candles. So these were 24 Rand as well, basically 25 Rand. And then the piece set that I was showing you guys and telling you guys about is this. Oh, it's called a tray. Okay, a tray of what? Okay, anyway, I got this mirror tray to kind of like put my decor pieces on the coffee table. So I like the circular shape, and as you guys know already, I'm going for like this black aesthetic theme, so I really like it. And I love mirrors, you guys. I love it. I just need to clean it, wipe it out because it was dirty from the store, so I need to do that, set this up, and it looks pretty decent, but there's still something missing from the whole set. But yeah, let's do that and see how this looks. So I got this Addis Spritzer Flip Fusion Spray Mop. I need this because spaghetti, the era of spaghetti mops, guys. Like, I understand a spaghetti mop can get the job done, but personally, the fact that I need to constantly like put a bucket down, and it's not about being lazy. Of course, you need to, like, especially when you're doing a deep clean, you need to mop your house with like water and soap, like enough like detergent to make it clean on the floor, because The floor is where there's so much bacteria and so much dirt. You know, people tracking it from inside and outside, and you know, outside everyone is walking there on the ground. It's so dirty, and then you come back inside your house and you're also working on the floors. So you definitely need to clean adequately. But I really wanted to test this out because I'm also on about, like, you know, going on to new trends of, you know, like latest trending things and everything with cleaning appliances. And this one was a little bit expensive because you can get something like this on Take a Lot for like $175. This one was $269. So, and I like Edis because I feel like their things have quality. So I'm just gonna quickly like unwrap this with you guys and then quickly see how this thing works.